I'm about to show you how to delete your Google account in 2026. Let's jump in. Now, I'm on my iPhone or Android, or you can use a computer, of course. Now, from here, just open up a web browser and go to google.com. From here, just tap on your profile at the very top right, and you'll be able to see right under your name, it says Manage Your Google Account. Let's just tap on that. After we've done that, they've revamped what this looks like, and currently all you need to do is scroll down a little bit, and you can see a bunch of different options. You're going to go to Data and Privacy here, midway down. Now, all we need to do is scroll down towards the bottom. You can see as I go down, an option that says delete a Google service. This is if you want to delete Gmail or YouTube, basically one of the services within your entire Google account. But if you wanted to delete the entire account, you need to keep scrolling down until you get to delete your account and tap on that. Now, you might need to verify that you are the owner of this account. I'll just use my Face ID here. And from there, it's going to walk you through everything that this will do. It will delete out all of your Gmail, your YouTube, your Google Photos, all of that stuff. If you're ready to go, just scroll down to the bottom and hit the delete button, and it will be deleted.